Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread kunafa. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 10 slices of white bread, 1 cup of melted butter, and 200 grams of sweet cheese. Next, we'll prepare a light sugar syrup, which will be poured over the hot kunafa. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparing the bread to achieving that perfect golden crust and delicious, cheesy center. To begin, take about 10 slices of white bread and carefully remove all the crusts. Next, tear the bread into smaller pieces and place them into a food processor. Pulse until you achieve fine, even crumbs. Transfer these crumbs to a bowl and pour in 1 cup of melted butter, mixing until every crumb is coated. Finally, press half of this buttered bread mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch round baking dish. Now it's time to assemble our kunafa. Carefully spread 200 grams of sweet cheese evenly over the pressed bread crumb base. Make sure the cheese covers the entire surface, leaving a small border around the edges. Then, take the remaining buttered bread crumbs and gently sprinkle them over the cheese layer, ensuring it's completely covered. Lightly press down on the top layer to create a smooth, even surface, ready for baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your assembled kunafa in the oven and bake for approximately 30 minutes, or until the top turns a beautiful golden brown and the edges are crispy. While it bakes, prepare your syrup by simmering 1 cup of sugar with 1/2 cup of water and a squeeze of lemon juice. Once the kunafa is out of the oven, immediately pour the warm syrup evenly over the hot dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.